Welcome back to the Stepping Bricks YouTube channel. Now, today we're going to do a continuation of the video from last week where we shared the top 5 tips for property investment success. This week, we're going to share the second 5 top tips for property investment success. Now, tip number 1 is prepare a proper business plan. If you fail to plan, you're basically planning to fail, as they say. Now, it's really important that you plan both your whatever things goes well and whatever things can go wrong, so you can mitigate the mistakes, the errors, or the things that go wrong when they come. Now, I don't want you to keep focusing on everything that can go wrong. Otherwise, you won't do anything at all. Actually, you will feel overwhelmed and you will stop, you will freeze, and you won't do anything. Forget about the things that go wrong and focus on the things that can go right, okay? That can change your life forever, both economically, financially, personally, emotionally. So if you're planning to, let's say, replace your income from your 9-to-5 job with property, this is exactly the top tip you need to remember. So what do you put in the business plan? Well, whatever you set your goals, so you need to put your goals for the next 6 to 12 months. You can go beyond that, of course, but I wouldn't go way beyond that because you never know what's going to happen in the next 2 months, let alone in 12 or 24 months. So make a plan for the 6 months and then the 12 months, and then you can break it down backwards, and you can say, okay, how many property deals do I need to do in order to achieve that goal? Now, it's a lot more complex than that. That's why it's a super important document for every single business, but at least it gives you a direction to go when you start a business. So the tip number 2 that I have here for this week is to choose your power team. Now, some people don't like to call it power team. It sounds like Power Rangers. It doesn't matter how you call it. It's a team that is around you. They can give you that power, to grow your business and to keep it sustainable over time. Okay, you don't want to have a business that opens today and closes tomorrow. You want a business that grows sustainably, and you can provide jobs for other people. They are happy working in your company, and they help you to grow even faster your business. Choosing the right power team, what I mean by that? Well, you have to have solicitors, you have to have insurance brokers, mortgage brokers, tradesmen, people that work with you and work in your business. They can help you to get out of your business and get away on your own way. Okay, so you need to let other people, trust other people, and to do a better job than you would do yourself. So again, that's essential for every single business. Tip number 3 is actually leverage whatever you can and outsource tasks and skills. You can outsource, you can leverage money, you can leverage skills, you can leverage time, experience, anything that is related to the business. You need to stop doing everything yourself. I understand it, that you think nobody else can do a better job than you do because that's what they taught you and that's what our parents taught us. But you need to stop doing that because you're endangering your business. Outsource any skills, any tasks that you don't enjoy doing. How can you get yourself out of the business, away from your business? Is very, very simple. Get on a train from London to Glasgow and come back. In the meantime, you had a nice trip on the train, you worked whatever you were doing remotely, and you were not there physically. So if something happens there, nobody can reach you. So you have to find an alternative to let your business grow without you. Tip number 4 is do not listen to the people that are negative around you. You will hear a lot of people, don't do this, it's too scary, the market is not right, the economy is going to crash, pandemic, whatever. You're going to hear this from all the people around you. Now, guess what? The people around you are not doing property investments. So if they're not doing what you want to do, there's no point in listening to them. They can be the best friends in your life. They can be your family, relatives. It doesn't matter. If they're not doing what you want to do, if they didn't achieve what you want to achieve, do not listen to them. Listen to the people that actually did it, because the people that actually did it and they're doing it right now, they won't say to you, oh, no, don't do property investments, because they know how to mitigate risks. they're well educated, they have a supporting team around them, they have mentors, so they understand the rules of the game. It doesn't matter if the interest rates will go up, you know, to the roof. It doesn't matter if inflation will go up. Actually, it's a good thing for property investment because the debt during inflation will shrink over time. So there are so many things out there that you will listen to the TV or to the radio, and you will be scared and you won't do anything. Every single market has a cycle. Every single time there will be an expansion and a recession or a correction, if you like. So the last tip for this week, tip number 5, create an exit strategy. Now, in your business, when you make your business plan, when you prepare your business plan, you need to understand as well what's your exit strategy. So if you're doing property investments, then what are you going to do with it? Actually, the lenders, if you apply for a mortgage, will ask you, what's your plan to repay off the mortgage, after 25 years of the mortgage? What's your plan? What's your exit strategy? So most of the time you will say, well, sale of the property or refinance or whatever your plan says. But this is a question they will ask you, the lenders, the banks will ask you every single time. So it is really great if you could be prepared for this question. And if you know your exit strategy for every single property strategy that you're doing, then we'll give you that power and that preparation for when the time comes and you have plan A, plan B, plan C, plan D, plan E. I don't want you to have just one plan, because if that one doesn't work, what do you do? So I want you to be prepared to have multiple exit strategies for each property strategy, so that you can be prepared and you can flourish as a business owner. I hope these 10 tips divided in 2 videos were very helpful for you, for your business. If you like this video, subscribe the button, comment and tell me what other top tips you want to share with the rest of the community. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.